Moonlit shadows painting dreams so free. We find our hearts where we wish to be. Raindrops weave their symphony with flair. Silent fogs join the fresh midnight air. Serenade of leaves so sweet and rare. Nature's tune beyond compare. Under the rainforest lullaby we sway, lost in the heartbeat of the day. Let the rhythm guide our way to the place where shadows play. Cicada voices hum in harmony beneath the banyans' ancient tree. Conversation without words, just to be in the stillness, soft and free. Under the rainforest lullaby we sway, lost in the heartbeat of the day. Let the rhythm guide our way to the place where shadows play. Under the rainforest lullaby we sway, lost in the heartbeat of the day. Let the rhythm guide our way to the place where shadows play. Echoes of a distant flute arise, crafting tales with hushed surprise. In the rain's embrace, no disguise, we find solace under darkened skies. Echoes of a distant flute arise, crafting tales with hushed surprise. In the rain's embrace, no disguise, we find solace under darkened skies. Under the rainforest lullaby we sway, lost in the heartbeat of the day.